Many students read past questions casually. Smart students study them strategically. Predicting exam questions is not magic, and it is not guesswork. It is pattern recognition, syllabus analysis, and understanding examiner behavior. Let me explain how to do it effectively. First, focus on difficult questions from past papers. Most lecturers and examiners repeat questions that students previously performed poorly on. Why? Because exams are not just about testing. They are about measuring improvement and ensuring students understand critical concepts. If a large number of students failed a particular question, it signals that the concept is important but not well understood. That makes it a strong candidate for repetition, either in the exact form or slightly modified. Difficult questions usually come from core topics, and core topics are rarely ignored in future exams. Second, study the surrounding subtopics. Do not isolate the difficult question. Instead, go deeper. Identify the subtopic it belongs to. Then prepare at least 5 possible questions from the subtopic before it and 5 from the subtopic after it. Examiners often structure their papers systematically. If they test one section of a topic this year, they may test the next section the following year. Questions usually move in a sequence across the syllabus. By studying the surrounding areas, you widen your preparation and reduce the risk of being surprised. Third, identify topics that have not been repeated for years. Examiners aim for balanced coverage of the syllabus. If a particular topic has been ignored for 2 or 3 years, the probability of it appearing increases. They cannot keep repeating the same areas forever. A smart student creates a simple table showing which topics appeared each year. When you see gaps, those gaps are opportunities. Fourth, study the pattern and style of questions. Every examiner has a style. Some prefer definitions and short notes. Others prefer essay questions that test explanation and application. Some like calculations and problem solving. Some focus on comparing and contrasting concepts. When you review at least 5 years of past papers, you will begin to see trends. You will notice the structure, how many compulsory questions, how many options, the marks distribution, and the weight given to certain topics. This is not accidental. It follows a pattern. Fifth, understand the psychology of examiners. Examiners do not set questions randomly. They consider time limits, marking schemes, and fairness. They usually pick core concepts, frequently misunderstood areas, practical applications, topics that align with current trends or real-life relevance. When you understand this mindset, you stop reading blindly and start reading intentionally. Finally, combine all these strategies. Select difficult questions. Study related subtopics. Identify unrepeated topics. Analyze patterns. Understand examiner behavior. When you do this consistently, your preparation becomes focused and strategic. Remember, predicting exam questions does not mean neglecting the syllabus. It means prioritizing intelligently. You are not gambling. You are increasing